Hey Royals, how are you? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So for today's video, I'm going to share some information with you just to make sure that we're all on the same page. The first thing is my Microlocs install date is 2 weeks away. Yay! So the bad news is you won't see another video from me for 2 weeks. So I have a bunch of things to do to prepare for my trip. I am flying down south to Georgia because that is where my mom is located and she is the one who will be installing my locks. And I'm also doing a lot of brainstorming and getting my ideas down of exactly how I want the next bunch of videos to look and to feel. The next video you see from me will be the beginning of my newest series here on my channel, my DIY Microlocs series. I'm really excited to start this series and I just want it to be helpful, informative, and fun to watch so that you guys can enjoy the content that I put out. So I'm just spending time to finalize my thoughts for those videos. Also, I'm working on something really exciting. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but hopefully everything works out and I can reveal that to you in the next couple of months. I'm also rebranding, so you'll see updates on my channel probably once this video is live. There will be updates to my banner, my description box, and I'm starting to post on my Facebook page again. Definitely check the description box for that updated link to check out my Facebook page. If you like this video so far, make sure to subscribe and click the thumbs up button and the bell so that you're notified whenever I post another video, especially with this upcoming series. So yeah, this video is really just a way for me to update you guys and let you know that I will not be posting another video until 2 weeks from now, from the day that I post this. But when those 2 weeks are up, I will be back in full effect, pushing out the Microlocs series content for you. So the next video will be me sharing my installation prep for locks. I do have some things that I really want to do to my loose natural hair before I get my locks installed. And my plan is to release the installation process in 3 or 4 parts, but I'm leaning towards 3. The reason I'm not doing it all at once is because it's easier for me to edit in small increments. Also, I want to be able to get content out for you regularly so that you have something to watch on my channel. That is pretty much all I want to say. Make sure you check out my Instagram as well for regular updates. Those will probably come out faster than the YouTube videos that will be coming out. So I'll probably give like sneak peeks on my Instagram, in my Instagram story. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and for continuing to do so. And I will see you in 2 weeks. Bye.